Hi everyone, OBS Studio 29 is out now. Should you update? I have to say, well, it depends, so maybe. So let's have a look what exciting new things OBS Studio 29 brings us. One of the biggest new features is support for the AV1 encoder. This super efficient encoder is now supported by the RX 7000 series from AMD and Intel's Arc GPUs together with OBS Studio. However, before you cheer, this encoder won't help you yet for streaming on platforms like Twitch, as support is still missing over there. However, you can use it for recording your own videos. Probably more exciting is the new upward compressor, which enables you to bring up the volume of sources which might be way too quiet. You can find this under your filters of your audio source. As a side note, please make sure that your sound alerts are not louder than your entire stream. Please do me the favor. Also, Websockets have been updated to version 5.1.0. You might now ask, are your plugins for your Stream Deck and OBS tools by BarRaider still compatible? From my first test, these plugins still work, so you should be fine. Don't quote me on that, please. There have been plenty of bug fixes. Question, should you update? Do you have any issues at the moment, or are these features you want to use? Then you might want to upgrade. Please make sure to back up at least your profile and your scene collection before doing that, okay? Are you currently running perfectly with OBS 28? Then you might want to wait a little, maybe until the first or the second patch release is being released by OBS Studio, a 29.0.1 or a 29.0.2 maybe. Do you have a version previous of OBS 28? Then you might want to consider upgrading. However, beware. You need to reinstall any plugins you currently have. That is all for today. Please remember to like this video and subscribe if you find this type of content useful. And thanks for watching. Happy streaming and recording. See you later.